Okay, so we just stopped by the people that I thought worked here. Turns out they're just local stoners, all sucking up on a hookah. Made up a little lie saying I was looking for my brother and looking for an interesting trail that he might have gone down. And well, just for the hell of it, we're gonna go down the first trail, and here with these little kids. Some of them my friends, some of them I don't know. And we're just out here for a little adventure, just walking around in this big, wide open area. What do you see? What is that little concrete wall over there? No, there's it's like a roadblock over here. Oh my god. There are a ton of trails over here. There's a big one to the left, and I don't know what's over here to the right. It's just a lot of stones. Well, good thing I brought spray paint. It's a nice shady area. Hey guys, I think we're just gonna rest here for a second. It's nice and shady. Yeah. I'm just gonna sit here for a bit.